Hello, Scott Melliger up here at SkipperBud's in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here we have one of our new 2022 Mastercrafts. This is one of their new models for the year. It's the XT-22, freshly redesigned for the year. More ballast, better wake with the new SurfStar system. It does come on a tandem axle trailer from Mastercraft with a swing tongue. The XT series, of course, does have the pickle nose front. Tandem axle, of course, on the trailer. As I mentioned, this boat's equipped with their new SurfStar to help you get those waves dialed in perfectly for you. We'll jump up on the interior of this boat here. This one does have the transom seats that flip up. For a nice day out on the water. And of course, still the nice transom walk through here. Nice step pad down to get into the boat. This boat does have their new flip seat. And cell phone holders in the cubbies with chargers, USB ports right in there. Same on the passenger side. Lots of storage underneath all the seats in this boat, as well as in the bow. This boat we have equipped with a traditional 7-inch screen. There you'll see a nice garbage chute right there. And like I said, this is the this is the pickle nose, so you'll see a little bit more room up front here. So you get out with all your friends. This boat is actually rated for 16 people. Very well laid out dash. You do have a wireless charger here for the driver to keep him charged up and ready to go for the day. Equipped with a nice bimini and of course clamping board racks. This boat's ready to go. Give us a call. We'd be happy to help assist you with any questions that you may have. Or if you are looking for a different model, we have several other Mastercrafts in stock and available and ready to go as well. Be happy to find you the boat that would fit you and your family best. So please feel free, give us a call when you're ready. We're happy to assist. Thank you for taking a look.